By God's grace, I've been able to complete 4 of these certifications, including the Azure Fundamentals, which is also known as the AZ-900, the Microsoft 365 Fundamentals, which is also known as the MS-900, the Security Compliance and Identity Fundamentals, also known as the SC-900, and the Information Security Administrator Associate, which is also known as the SC-401. The general consensus in recent times has been to pursue the Azure Fundamentals in addition to other vendor certifications when starting out your career in IT, cloud computing, or cybersecurity. This has generally been because having a fundamental Microsoft certification has helped aspiring professionals to stand out to recruiters. But going into 2026, the trend is likely to change, with recruiters likely to focus more on professionals with specific skills rather than fundamental knowledge and credentials. Microsoft offers more than 40 certifications, and if you're starting out, it would be smart to target one that builds towards a specific role.